Hello everyone. What I have for you today is an Amtech 50mm padlock. There's the keyway. There's our key. Now, this is one of the few locks I've ever seen. I almost didn't think it was going to work there for a second. One of the few locks I've ever seen where I wish I had a thicker pick, like, I don't know, like 32 thousandths, just because the keyway is so wide that, there we go, the pick tends to slide off of the pins and almost go up beside them. It's pretty wide open. I'm just using top of the keyway and a Peterson's No. 4 hook. Click off pin 1, pin 2, 3, nothing on 4, 5, still nothing on 4, strangely. There we go. There we go. Just had to touch pin 3 a little bit. Anyway, that is the Amtech 50mm padlock. If you look at it real close, you'll see it's very porous looking. Looks really roughly cast. Kind of doubt that steel's really hardened. Let me see something. Yeah, it is shimmable. If you want to see that, it's not a ball bearing, it's just a little latching lever. But yep, thanks for watching. That is the Amtech 50mm. Everybody have a great night. Thanks for watching.